Hey guys, a lot of us need free stock images and videos on an everyday basis so that we can use it in our personal presentations, videos, reels, and whatnot. So you might go to different websites for that. Don't bother because I'm going to tell you best websites from where you can download free copyright stock images and videos and other things without paying a single penny. Okay, let's start. Number one is Mansby.com. Mansby has only one aim: provide you free and quality stock images that can be used for your projects. The images here are handpicked by the experts and all the images are safely licensed. Just write your keyword and browse the free clips and get them for your projects. Number 2 is Cover.co. Known for best stock videos and now even for music, you can find it all through the right keywords. Even if you want, you can download the premium videos by paying the members fees and get them ready for their further use. Number 3 is Pexels.com. Images, footages and videos, all you can get in one place using Pexels. In fact, you can download them in the mobile orientation too. Last is Pixabay. A complete package for the creators. It allows you to download pictures, videos, sound effects, music, vectors, illustrations and whatnot. Don't forget to try this one for sure and don't forget to tell us your favorite in the list. And yes, follow us and subscribe to our channel as well.